Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. My name is Mr. Alex Okoyo, known as Legacy Frozen Food.
That is very good.
Yeah.
Are you using a Moniepoint terminal?
In short, I'm using Moniepoint terminal, and the Moniepoint have really helped me a lot in terms of stress going to bank here and there. Moniepoint have really helped me, and Moniepoint have given me facility of which no bank can do. I so much like their way of giving us facility. There are no hidden charges. They don't stress us. I believe Moniepoint have come to save many lives in this time. What I do for Moniepoint, I don't know how I'm even paying my facility. I create a service in my money, in my app, that saved the exact amount that will complete the monthly amount they give to me. And before I paid it, I don't know. Moniepoint have really done well for us, for business, but mostly me. I'm so happy being joining Moniepoint, doing work with them, have given me facility. I'm so happy. Moniepoint are giving us a very good way, and they have come to save us and promote our business for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So how long do you use it?
In short, Moniepoint since they came. Today I know Moniepoint. When I started with 5 million, for now they have given me up to 40 million. Even I would say it's too much. They have given me a lot of money, of which I did not know how I am paying, and I see my business growing every day.
Thank you very much. And thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Idan ma baka da interest misali ga wannan ka gane ko daga baya duk sanda kaga kana buƙatar kuɗi za ka yi contacting ɗin ta nan.